Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Vibe. In this new video, we will be discussing about a topic of Indian modern history, the Great Revolt of 1857. We will be talking about the causes, outbreak and failure of the revolt, who were the leaders of the revolt, and the post-revolt. The Great Revolt of 1857 was even referred as Mutiny of Sepoys by the Britishers. Indian freedom fighter V.D. Savarkar referred the Great Revolt of 1857 as the first war of Indian independence. So let us begin with the causes of the revolt. The first one, introduction of doctrine of lapse. Nana Sahib was refused pension as he was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II. Heavy taxation was imposed. Indian soldiers were racially discriminated. Indian soldiers were paid low salaries and were not promoted more than the rank of Subedar. The social causes were abolition of sati in the year 1829, Widow Remarriage Act in the year 1856, education for girls. The main and the most important cause of the Great Revolt of 1857 was a weapon. This weapon was a rifle which was introduced for the first time in the British Indian Army, P-53 Enfield rifle. Its cartridges were greased with cow and pig fat. The cartridge had to be bitten before loading. As we all know, pork was forbidden to Muslims as well as the cow is sacred to Hindus. And this is P-53 rifle. Next, outbreak and failure. On 29th March 1857, Mangal Pandey, a soldier of 34th Regiment, killed a senior officer in a parade at Barakpur. A soldier of 34th Regiment. Which regiment? 34th Regiment. Mangal Pandey killed a senior officer in a parade at Barakpur. Where? Barakpur. So, this is Mangal Pandey. So, by mid of June, the revolt was spread in North India. So, the revolt was leaderless. So, the revolutionaries declared last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II as leader and gave the slogan Delhi Chalo. The revolt was successful in the beginning, but later suppressed by Britishers. The main problems was lack of leadership, poor coordination, poor quality of weapons, and most important, princely states of India, they supported the British. Who were the leaders? In this slide, we will be talking about the place of the revolt and who led it and which British officers suppressed them. So if you take about Barakpur, Barakpurs were led by Mangal Pandey. Delhi was led by Bahadur Shah II and Bakht Khan. The British officers who suppressed them was John Nicholson and Hudson. Lucknow was led by Begum Hazrat Mahal and British Qadir. The British officers who suppressed them was Havelock, James Neal and Colin Campbell. Kanpur was led by Tandya Tope and Nana Sahib. The British officers who suppressed Havelock, Colin Campbell. Jhansi was led by Rani Lakshmi Bai and was suppressed by the British officer Hugh Groves. Bihar was led by Kunwar Singh and Amar Singh. Meerut was led by Kadam Singh. Bareilly was led by Khan Bahadur Khan. Faizabad was led by Maulavi Ahmadullah. So Maulavi Ahmadullah is the leader of Wahhabi movement. Allahabad and Banaras was led by Liaquat Ali. So post-revolt. What exactly happened to the leaders after the revolt? So Bahadur Shah II were arrested and deported to Rangoon, so where he died in the year 1862. Nana Sahib and Begum Hazrat escaped to Nepal. Rani Lakshmi Bai died in the battlefield. Tandya Tope and Mangal Pandey, etc. were executed. That's all for today's video. Thank you.